A zip file is a single file that contains several other files compressed together. Zip files can be downloaded from the web, and they're useful to send several files as an email attachment. If you have a zip file that you need to open, all you need to do is double-click on it. A new folder is created which contains all of the files that were in that zip file. You can move, copy, and work with these files normally in Finder. If you have several files that you want to package together in a zip file, start by selecting those files. Right-click on the files that you've selected and choose Compress Items. A new zip file is created. You can rename it if you want. And you can easily send this one zip file to other people. You can also compress a folder into a zip file. There are other types of compressed package files like gzip and rar which require other software to unpack, but zip files are much more common.